Hi rewardees, or token heads. Maybe just, oh wait. Hi internet. That's better. I'll never do that again, I swear. It's James with Rewards here again. Todd stole my camera, so I'm on this one, which is still, it's a pretty good camera. But if the video looks different, that's why. I'm here with your weekly update. Tommy and Tracy of Crypto Disruption interviewed Todd recently, and they're starting a nice little giveaway. If you go watch their interview, a good information on how to win 5,000 reward tokens and an LED t-shirt, which Tommy really wants. He's like, hey, I got one.
That's cool, huh? Yeah, you don't wash these. This is my second one. Learned the hard way.
I don't want everyone to think that we're just Rewards Token IO. Don't forget about Rewards.com. Sure, you know, you could get into that ecosystem now. You don't have to wait until everything becomes tokenized, tokenized. One of those. Use whichever one you like. Thanks. You don't like any of them? You know, you can start using rewards now for stuff you want anyway, or other people want, or like stuff I buy. Like, you know, beard dirt, hobo hats, things like that. And finally, the reason Todd stole my camera is because he's packing up everything a Texan needs and heading to South Korea. They're gonna stay in Seoul, South Korea, at Hotel 17. So if you're in South Korea, or you're South Korean, or you're from somewhere else, but you're in South Korea, go by there, you know, say hi to them. They'll be around. Look for Todd and Jeremy from Rewards. My guess is you'll see them because they're very tall. But really, if you really want to get a hold of them, hit them up on Telegram. That's all I got for you. So big stuff happening. We'll have a lot of probably travel log and photos and videos of Todd in South Korea. So can't wait to see it. You guys have a great week, and we'll see you next week.